Alright, welcome back. This is the first video of the biochemistry playlist. In this video, all I'm going to be doing is going over the plan of what I'm going to be covering in this playlist. This order should look very familiar to you if you're taking biochemistry right now, is because this is usually the plan that professors take, this route. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So you can easily follow as you're taking the class. So the first thing I'm going to cover is amino acids. You may or may not be asked to memorize all 20 amino acids. If you're taking the MCAT, you need to memorize all 20 amino acids. So I'm going to make 2 or 3 videos of it, and I'm going to explain all 20 of them, the structures, and then all the names for them, and the reactions to do with amino acids. The second thing we're going to do is protein folding. This is a very simple concept. It'll probably only take 1 video. I don't really know a way to learn this because it has nothing to do with all the stuff later. But I guess you just need to know how protein folds. The third thing is thermodynamics and Michaelis-Menten enzyme equation. This is actually very important for everything later on because you need to know how reactions move forward. You also need to know what Michaelis-Menten enzyme equation is. And yes, it has to do with math, unfortunately. But it's not bad at all, I promise. The fourth thing is enzyme inhibition. How can you inhibit enzymes so things don't move forward? The fifth thing we're going to go over is coupling reactions. Some of the reactions in your body are not favorable. So what they do is actually couple to other reactions in the body that are more favorable and basically steal their energy so the unfavorable reaction can move forward. It's actually a really interesting topic. The sixth thing is glycolysis. The reason it's in red or pink is because it's very, very important. And this is a big part of biochemistry. Usually your tests are heavily on glycolysis and gluconeogenesis. And this is not the baby stuff you learned in biology, not the basic overview. No. This is like, we're going to be going over the in-depth stuff of glycolysis at every single step, every single stage, every single structure, and all the products and substrates and stuff like that. And you do need to memorize all of them, unfortunately. Then what we're going to do is midterm 1. And this midterm 1 is going to cover all this 1 through 7 stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to make it easy. The reason you're here is to get real midterm questions so you're actually fully prepared to actually, when you take it in person. If you go to other YouTube channels, they're going to give you easy questions. No, that's not what we do here. I'm going to give you hard questions so you can easily dominate the tests. And I'm making, don't worry, we're going to go over it nicely. I'm going to go over all the answers and all that stuff, etc. The 9th thing we're going to do is the Cori Cycle. You probably never heard of this, because I never heard of it going into biochemistry, but after I learned it, I fell in love with it. Actually, this is one of my favorite things to learn about. 10th is the citric acid cycle, another big part of biochemistry. And then right after the electron transport chain. I find the electron transport chain to be very, not simple, but I find it interesting. 12th is hormones. Easy stuff. 13 and 14 is amino acid and fatty acid synthesis. Not too much there, but I'm telling you right here, the Cori cycle, electron transport chain, and citric acid cycle, that's going to be a lot on the final that I'm going to give. And that right there is basically the overview of biochemistry. So if you like the videos on this, please, hit that notification button and like and subscribe. And until the next video, later.